Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss the summary of the sound of music. Okay, so listen carefully. The sound of music is a beautiful account of a young artist who is an aspiring musician. Her name was Evelyn Glary, who has lost her power of hearing when she was hardly 8 years old. Okay, she concealed her growing deafness from her friends and teachers for some time. Okay, in the 8 years, she came to know about her growing deafness. But anyhow, she managed to conceal this fact from her teachers and friends. But by the time she was 11, when she reached at the 11 age, her performance in academic had deteriorated considerably, and her headmistress asked her parents to take her a specialist. Okay, once at the 8 years, when she was 8 years old, she come to know about her deafness, growing deafness. It means that since childhood she was not deaf. Okay, that was the growing deafness. Okay, anyhow, she managed to conceal the fact for 3 years, but by the time she reached 11, her performance affected her academics, and that is why her headmistress asked her parents to take her a specialist. Okay, she decided to live a normal life at the age of 11. When the fact came to know her, she decided to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Since beginning, she was interested in music. Now she found herself to pursue her career as a musician. Okay, at this level, he take the help of one teacher, and her ability were spotted by Ron Forbes. Okay, teacher play a vital role in her life. Ron Forbes advised her not to listen through her ears. Okay, for hearing anything, he advised her not to listen through her ear, but sense it through some other way. Quite amazing. Means teacher knew the fact, the way of understanding anything. Her ear is not able to hear anything, but to understand the sound in some other way. How it possible? For that, the path has been shown by the teachers. The exercise was there the exercise on two drums. Two drums were there that proved fruitful. Okay, once in a start there was two drums that is producing the sound, and she find it fruitful, means some result she got, and soon she discovered that she could sense some notes in different parts of her body. Amazing. Means by beating the sound, she feels the sound. We hear the sound, but she feels the sound. Okay, and when the sound has been produced by working hard, she can able she can hear the sound from the different parts of the body. Okay, so practice makes a man perfect, we can say in this area. Okay, she discovered new way of listening the thing, understanding the sound from different parts of her body. She discovered only with the help of her teacher. When Evelyn was barely 16, at the age of 16, she decided to make music her life. Now only one aim. At the 16, she decided to make something extraordinary in the music field. Okay, For that, she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored the highest mark. This is the first achievement. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and there she got the highest marks. Okay, it is fascinating to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without sharing. Okay, means fascinating, attracting. The girl is there without listening anything, without hearing anything. She is performing without any effort. That is the result of means hard work. Okay, means hard work and firm determination. She speaks flawlessly with her Scottish lilt. That is one of the language, one of the dialect Scottish lilt. She spoke means without any hesitation. It is really difficult to explain how she has managed to learn French. Means some extraordinary achievement she achieved in her life. How she could manage to learn French and basic of the Japanese despite of her handicap. Okay, means in the start she was not deaf. She listened the Scottish, but how she managed herself to speak Japanese and other language like French, that is quite amazing. Means her shape her body in that condition to understand the sound in perfect way. Okay. In 1991, Evelyn was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year. In that year, she got the award of Soloist of the Year. Okay, she confessed that she is a workaholic. Now she confessed means she agree with the fact that she has the full determination of doing the work in the field of music. It is through her sheer hard work means that is the best quality of if you want to take anything great in your life, so hard work is must, and the demanded work is firm determination. Both these quality possessed by Evelyn Glennie, and that she has achieved in music what most people of twice her age could not do. Means whatever she got in her life, okay, man, most of the people twice of her age could not achieve with every abilities. She has inspired millions of handicapped. In this way, by the story of Evelyn Glennie, we come to know she inspired millions of handicapped so much that one of them has said, "If she can do it, I can also." Means she is the source of inspiration for other many other handicapped. By seeing those, by seeing the achievements of Evelyn Glennie, they come to know about her achievement. Then they also thought, their parents also thought, if she could achieve this type of things, I also. There is a lot of example we have in our world, in different parts of the world, where we find that means handicap also prove their means prove their ability. Okay, only the fact is that means uh, our determination. ओके नाउ ये जो साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक है, इसके फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग एक एस्पायरिंग म्यूजिशियन एवलिन ग्लेनी के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, जो कि 8 वर्ष में ही अपनी सुनने की क्षमता को खो चुकी थी, सुनने की क्षमता को खो चुकी थी, लेकिन वो ये फैक्ट को धीरे धीरे छुपाते रहे। लेकिन जब वो 11 वर्ष की हुई तो उसके टीचर ने उसके पेरेंट्स से कहा कि उसे ये किसी स्पेशलिस्ट को दिखाएं। ठीक है, लेकिन वो कहा कि वो सोची कि ये इस तरह की लाइफ मुझे नॉर्मल लाइफ ही लीड करनी है, आई हैव टू लीड द नॉर्मल लाइफ। ओके फर्स्ट, एंड उसकी जो इंटरेस्ट थी म्यूज़िक में उसको वो जारी रखी, शी कंटिन्यू हर इंटरेस्ट इन द म्यूज़िक। एट दिस लेवल द टीचर प्लेड अ विटल रोल, जो शिक्षक ने जो रोल प्ले किया, दैट इज माइंड मीन्स ग्रेट, वी कैन से ही इज अ पाथ सोअर। ओके, वो एक दिए की तरह था, ठीक है, जो उम्मीद से विहीन हो चुकी थी, उसने उसे बताया कि जो म्यूजिक है लोग अपने कान के द्वारा सुनते हैं, कोई साउंड है प्रोड्यूस होता है उसको कान के द्वारा सुनते हैं, और तुम्हें क्या करना है, अपने बॉडी से उसको फील करना है। वी हियर द म्यूजिक, शी फील्स द म्यूजिक। ओके, एंड इन स्टार्ट देयर वॉज ए ड्रम, और ड्रम की बीटिंग स्टार्ट हुई और रिजल्ट फ्रूटफुल हुआ। शी हर्ड द म्यूजिक फ्रॉम वेयर म्यूजिक हैज बिन कम। ठीक है, इस तरह से वो आगे बढ़ते गए। ओके, और 16 ईयर्स में उसने एक डिसाइड किया कि म्यूज़िक में ही उसे अपना कैरियर बनाना है। इसके लिए उसने ऑडिशन दिया रॉयल एकेडमी ऑफ म्यूज़िक में, और वहाँ वो हाईएस्ट मार्क्स लाई। ग्रेट, इट इज़ फैसिनेटिंग। वहाँ पे बहुत ही ये फैसिनेटिंग था एवलिन को फंक्शन करते हुए देखना, क्योंकि वो बिना किसी इफर्ट के, कुछ सुने बिना ही परफॉर्म कर रही थी। ऐसा आपको पता ही नहीं चलता था जब तक उसके बारे में नहीं जाने। बिना किसी कंफ्यूजन के ही वो म्यूज़िक परफॉर्म करती थी। वो बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लोलेसली फ्लो में बोलती थी विथ ए स्कॉटिश लिल्ट। स्कॉटिश जो कि उसकी मदर टंग थी, उसमें तो उसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं था, वो फ्लॉलेसली बिना रुके बोलती थी। ठीक है, लेकिन लोगों की समझ में ये नहीं आता था कि कैसे वो मैनेज की फ्रेंच और जापानीज़ को सीखने में, क्योंकि ये दो लैंग्वेज जो थे वो उसके लाइफ में डीप होने के बाद आए। तो जब तक पहले होता है ना कि लिसनिंग देन स्पीकिंग, तो वो लिसन तो की ही नहीं, तो स्पीक कैसे? उसने अपने बॉडी को ऐसे शेप कर लिया था कि वो साउंड सुन लेती थी। बोलते हैं ना कि 6 सेंस होते हैं, अगर 5 सेंस होते हैं, अगर हम मेहनत करें तो 6 सेंस भी काम कर सकते हैं। साइकोलॉजिकल ये फैक्ट प्रूफ है कि ह्यूमन बॉडी में 16 सेंस होते हैं, जिसमें हम खाली 5 का यूज करते हैं। अगर हम 6 या 7 का यूज कर लें तो हमें भविष्य की बातें जो होने वाला है वो भी पता चल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो यही था, और ये सारा कुछ हुआ हार्ड वर्क और फुल डिटर्मिनेशन की। 1991 में उसे रॉयल फिलार्मोनिक सोसाइटी प्रेस्टिजियस सोलिस्ट ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड मिला। ओके, और उस समय उसने कहा, उसने ये बात माना कि उसे काम करने की धुन सवार है, वर्कहॉलिक। ओके, और ये सब मुमकिन हुआ क्यों? उसकी हार्ड वर्क से और पूरी कटिबद्धता से, उसकी दृढ़ता जो थी कि उसे कुछ अचीव करना है। ठीक है, उसने म्यूज़िक में जो अचीव किया, ठीक है, उसकी उम्र के दुगने लोग भी अपनी लाइफ में वो अचीव नहीं कर पाते। ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे उसने कई दूसरे मिलियंस हैंडीकैप जो दिव्यांग हैं उनको क्या किया, इंस्पायर किया। और उसकी स्टोरी को सुनने के बाद जो दिव्यांग होते हैं, जो हैंडीकैप्ड होते हैं, जो कि अपने लाइफ में सोचते हैं कि कुछ नहीं होगा, वो भी सोचते हैं अगर वो कर सकते तो। ठीक है, सिंपल सा मॉरल है, जहाँ चाह रहा वहाँ राह। एवलिन ग्लेनी ने जहाँ चाहत दिखाई वहाँ उसकी राह आसान होते गई, और लास्ट में उसने एक मिसाल पैदा किया। अंडरस्टूड? आई थिंक कि साउंड ऑफ म्यूज़िक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। ठीक है, इससे रिलेटेड जो भी डाउट्स हैं यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम वेरियस मोड। ओके, थैंक यू।